What if I told you that you could legally keep almost 100% of your income while people in the US are losing 30%, 40%, or even 50% of their to taxes? In the United States, you pay federal income tax, state tax, capital gain tax, dividend tax, withholding tax. But in Dubai, 0% income tax, 0% capital gain tax in most of the cases, only 9% corporate tax, and many businesses pay even 0% corporate tax. No withholding tax or dividends or royalties. This is not a loophole, this is not illegal. This is how Dubai is designed. Let me ask you a simple question. You work hard, you grow your business, you make profit. But how much of that money do you actually keep? If you are in the US, the answer is painful. By the time federal tax, state tax, capital gains tax, and dividend tax are done with you, a huge part of your money is gone. Now imagine a place where your salary is not taxed, personal income is not taxed, your investments are not taxed, and your business tax is one of the lowest in the world. That place is Dubai, UAE. Today I will show you why Dubai has one of the strongest tax system in the world and why thousands of Americans, Europeans, and global entrepreneurs are moving here. Let's be honest about the US tax system. If you are an individual in the US, you may pay up to 37% of federal income tax. Plus state tax, California, New York, New Jersey up to 13%, plus capital gain tax, plus dividend tax. In many cases, your total tax can cross 40% to 50%. Let's say you make $200,000 a year. After all taxes, you may keep only $110,000 to $120,000. That means you work for 12 months, but almost 5 to 6 months work for the government. Now let's compare this with Dubai. In Dubai, there is 0% personal income tax. That means no tax on salary, no tax on freelance income, no tax on consulting income, no tax on bonuses. If you earn $100,000, you keep $100,000. $300,000, you keep $300,000. Even $1 million if you earn, you can keep $1 million. No forms, no stress, no yearly tax surprises. Compare this with the US, where even your bonus gets taxed heavily. This alone is a life-changing difference. Now let's talk about investments. In the US, if you sell stocks, crypto, real estate, business shares, you pay capital gains tax. Short-term gains, higher tax, long-term gains, still taxed. In Dubai, 0% capital gain tax in most cases. That means you sell shares, keep the profit. You exit a business, keep the profit. You sell crypto, keep the profit. This is why Dubai attracts investors, traders, crypto founders, startup owners. You don't grow wealth just to lose it at the exit. Now let's talk about business tax. The UAE introduced a 9% corporate tax, which is still much lower than the US, much lower than Europe, one of the most competitive globally. If you compare it to US, federal corporate tax is 21%, plus state corporate tax, plus payroll taxes, plus hidden compliance costs. In Dubai, corporate tax is only 9%. Many free zones offer 0% tax benefits. With simple structure, clear rules. For many businesses, especially international or online businesses, the effective tax can still be very low or even 0%. This is something most people don't talk about. In many countries, when you send money, dividends, royalties, service payments, the government cuts tax before the money even reaches you. That's called withholding tax. In the UAE, no withholding tax on dividends or royalties. This is huge for holding companies, international businesses, brand owners, IP owners, consultants. Your money moves freely, your profits stay yours. Dubai is not just about tax, it also offers world-class infrastructure, strong banking system, stable currency, safe environment, global lifestyle, business-friendly laws. This is why you see CEOs, tech founders, Amazon sellers, consultants, investors choosing Dubai as their base. They are not running away from tax, they are moving towards smart tax planning. Let me say this clearly, Dubai is not for everyone. But if you are a business owner, a freelancer, an investor, a high-income professional, why give away 40% to 50% of your income when legal system exists that allow you to keep more? Dubai offers 0% income tax, 0% capital gain tax, competitive 9% corporate tax, no withholding tax, and everything is legal, transparent, and government backed. If you want to understand how to set up a company, how to structure your income, how to qualify for residency or golden visa, then this is the right time to explore Dubai. Your money should work for you, not disappear in taxes.